Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to create our very own CDN using Python, Flask and Heroku. So to get started, let's go ahead and install the dependencies required. For this, you need Python, which you can see the video in which I've shown you how to install Python. I'll leave the link in the description. And you'll also need Flask. So we can do pip install Flask. You can just hit enter. And I already have it installed, but you just enter the command. You'll be downloading some files and then you should have Flask installed. The next dependency is the Heroku CLI. So over here I have the Heroku website and I'll send you a link in the description too. But we need to download the installer for Heroku. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the 64-bit installer and I'm just going to go ahead and wait for it to finish. So I'll just skip until it's done. Perfect. So now that it's done, let's go ahead and click on it to run it. And over here, just make sure that all these three are selected and let's just hit next. Just hit next. And I'm just going to skip until it finishes this installation. So the installation is complete and it says that the setup was completed successfully. So we can go ahead and close the installer. The next step is really simple. Let's just verify that we have Heroku installed. So to do this, let's open CMD. And what we need to do is, we need to go ahead and type in Heroku. And as you can see, I get a help message right here. And that means that the Heroku CLI is successfully installed. So that's it for the setup part of the video. In the next video, we'll be seeing how to write the server that's going to be the CDN, and then we'll get into deploying it to Heroku. That's it. Thank you.